This is a 7-in-1 multifunctional tool pen by A-Tech. They're out of San Francisco. You can check this out. It's got a 7mm ballpoint pen, stylus, bottle opener, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, 3-inch ruler, and phone stand. Plus, I mean, the eighth would be like you'd probably throw it, I guess, at somebody, so it's a projectile. But this is super cool. It's got a lot of really cool features. I'm excited to open this up and share it with you. I should probably do this before recording, but I want to give you the full authentic experience. Ooh, there we go. So we got a cool little pamphlet here. And here it is. Check that out. That is serious. It's aluminum. So that works as a phone stand. You can like put your phone in there, which is cool. It's a bottle opener. You've got a nice little clip there. I'm not sure what these are called, but you can put in your pocket, in your shirt. How do you open this? There you go. It's a twist out. Very, very, very cool. So let's figure out how to use this thing. So it looks like the back has these things that you can pull out. Let's do that. How do we open you? There we go. Ta-da! So there's the stylus. And then I'm gonna unscrew that, and then there you go. There's your screwdriver, and then you can flip that over. Get that flathead action going. Super cool. I don't know if that'll focus. There we go. Yeah, and then that just screws right back on. And you've got yourself a fantastic everyday carry multi-tool pen. Love this thing.